Hi everybody, I'm back with another video, and it is allergy season and mosquito season. They are out, so we are going to get started on how to make DIY homemade mosquito repellent. Okay, so what you're going to need is something to put it in when you finish. Gonna need your scale, gonna need a cup to put it in to mix it, and then you're gonna need all your essential oils. Okay, so first we're going to start with distilled water, and we are going to do 2 ounces of distilled water or boiled water. A little more than 2 ounces. Okay, so after that we are going to, I picked jojoba oil as a carrier oil for the essential oils. And I'm only going to do a teaspoon of this. Now, you can use coconut oil, or if you don't have jojoba oil, sunflower oil, you know, whatever you have that is a carrier oil. Okay, so next we're going to add some witch hazel, and we're going to do about 1 ounce of witch hazel. That's what we're going to add to this. Oops. Nice, stay in there. Okay, there we go. Now you can do a carrier oil and just essential oils. You don't have to use witch hazel, or you can substitute 1 ounce of witch hazel for vodka or some other type of alcohol that you may have on hand. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to stir this up a little bit. Now, when you're doing this, keep in mind, once you get it made, you want to shake it because the oil will separate from the water. So you definitely want to also make sure you keep it at 15% essential oil for safety. You don't want to go over that. So that would be probably around 50 to 75 drops of essential oil. Okay, so now what we are going to add is, because neem is so strong, I'm only going to use 5 drops of it. And then we're going to add the tea tree oil, which is very well known for being an insect repellent. And I'm going to use about 15 drops of tea tree. Okay. Next, we're going to do lemongrass. Okay, so I did 10 drops of that, and I'm going to do 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Oh, come on now, hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're going to add the centrella, and we're doing 15 drops. Okay. And because the neem is so strong, I'm going to do 10 drops of lavender to kind of cover up the neem oil a little bit. And we are also going to add some eucalyptus, and we're going to do 15 drops. Okay, and a little vitamin E, because this is going on our skin. Five drops. I was going to use clove, but I'm not going to do it. So we're just going to stir this up a little bit, and then we're going to pour it in. Oh, I can smell it, you guys. I can really smell it. Smells good. And I'm just going to pour it in here. I didn't have a 4 ounce. This recipe was actually for 4 ounces. I had two 2-ounce little bottles. So I'm going to fill both of these. But you don't want to fill it all the way up because you want to have room to shake it. Because like I said, it will settle. And anytime you use it, you're going to have to give it a shake. Make sure I get it all. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the lids on here. Give it a nice little shake.